WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Well, we are looking at a wet weekend outside with a coastal storm brewing and coming our way. I'm Mary Marshall with this WUSA 9 Weather Impact Update. Spotty showers are possible Saturday anytime after 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and look for rain all day Sunday with breezy winds. It is going to be a mess out there. Look for gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. So Sunday, we've already called a weather impact alert for this rain throughout the day. Look for the heaviest rain east of 95, but we'll certainly be getting some in D.C. and the immediate D.C. metro area as well. Outdoor plans probably not the best idea, but you can see that we will have some areas that won't see quite as much rain as D.C. Nonetheless, you should download the WUSA 9 app to stay on top of the very latest updates. All right, today 66 degrees in D.C., 67 in Gainesville, sun and clouds by the later on this afternoon, 66 by 2 o'clock, mid-60s by 4 p.m., and it's cloudy, 63 by 6 o'clock this evening. Your evening plans tonight are rain-free, and the better day this weekend to get outdoors is going to be Saturday. Even though we have a chance for a few showers to pop up on Saturday, the bulk of that rain is coming in on Sunday. So we'll go 71 Saturday with a few showers, and then right around 64 on Sunday, windy with that rain and a weather impact alert. So let's talk about this just a little bit more. We are going to have what's called a nor'easter working its way in, and the deal with these systems is that they are driven by the warmer ocean water compared to the relatively cooler air temperatures, and that combined, that imbalance helps to drive these storms right up the coast, and that is what we typically see, especially fall through early spring. So a nor'easter is simply a coastal storm with northeast winds, hence the name nor'easter, and they're most likely between September and April. They do bring heavy rain, strong winds, often if it's cold enough, really heavy snow as well. So you get that combination. Now here's what we're looking at, just rain for the D.C. area with this particular system. As early as about 1 o'clock, 1:30 on Saturday afternoon, you'll notice some hit or miss showers beginning to pop up. Again, you can still do some things outdoors, just at times there'll be a passing shower to come along. And then this is Saturday at 7:30 in the evening, same here. As we get to Sunday morning, well, it's a little bit different. This is at 7 a.m. We can see more scattered showers pushing into the area. And then as we advance the clock to about 12:30, we can still see a good chunk of rain, and those winds have picked up as well. Now you're noticing a lot of that rain right along from Baltimore to D.C., up through Culpeper and Fredericksburg and points east. That's where the bulk of it will be. So if you were somewhere like Cumberland, Hagerstown, Frederick, Winchester, maybe even far western Loudoun County, you're still going to get some showers, but not as much as what's going to be happening here. So you might be able to eke out an hour or two outside in those areas, but if you're D.C. and anywhere south and east of it, even up through the Culpeper area and Charlottesville, you'll have a better chance for picking up on the rain because those areas obviously closer to that actual coastal storm. This is at 3 o'clock on Sunday. We're still seeing those drops falling. Look at that moderate to heavy rain along the eastern shore. We're looking at the possibility of some coastal flooding, especially in areas like Ocean City with those strong winds just pushing that water ashore. So do be mindful of that if your travels take you in those areas this weekend. This is Sunday at 8 o'clock. And this rain is going to go all the way until Monday afternoon and evening. Should begin to lighten up as the commanders begin to take the field. So rain potential, looking at anywhere from upwards of 2 inches, 1 to 2 inches along the coast, Ocean City, the eastern shore, and D.C. roughly a half an inch or so, right about around that. A half an inch, a little more, a little less possible, but not as much rain as you head toward areas such as Hagerstown and Martinsburg, where you're less than a half an inch there as well. So definitely looking at some rain this weekend. Here's a look at the wind gusts. You can see them anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour in the D.C. area. And then as you get to Ocean City, 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts there. On your 7-day forecast, again, a weather impact alert on Sunday for the rain. Terps game should be okay Saturday. 64 Monday, showers clear Tuesday with breezy winds and highs back in the 70s.